Okay, so on S1, we'll do the command IP dot static 0.0.0.0 is 0.0.0.0 is n.0.4.1. Enter. So now we have configured IP route, static IP route. Next on S2, we will configure the same route, static route, static 0.0.0.0 is 0.0.0.0 is 10.0.6.3. Okay, now we'll configure the dynamic network address station on gigabyte Ethernet 0/0/0 on the interface of R1. Okay, we'll go on to R1. Uh, hmm, just a minute. Okay, so now we'll do the command for network address translation. Let's go. 1 is 119.84.111.440 is 119.84.111.243. Okay, that's the network address group. Now we'll enter our interface, press 0, and insert this at outbound 3000 group. Okay, next on we'll configure R3 as the telnet server. On R3, we'll enable telnet server. Okay, so interface UI 0/4, next authentication mode, password, password. Okay, we'll just put Huawei 123. So moving on to the next part, we'll verify the telnet configuration by going on to R1. Okay, so display unity group. So we now can see the NET address group information, which is NET group 1, the address and the group, start address and the end address. Okay, so to test the connectivity to the gateway of the remote peer from the internal network, we'll ping it from S1. So from S1, we'll ping 119.84.111.3. This one will be R3. So we are now trying to ping. So it gets reply, so it's a successful. Okay, so next we'll try to establish a telnet connection. So telnet 119.84.111.3 connected. The password is now was Huawei 123. Now we are connected to R3. So now we'll open a second session on R1 and view the result of ACL and NET and see the of the ACL and NET session translation. Okay, so we'll open R1 as well. Okay, so on R1, we'll display ACL 3000, the advanced ACL. Okay, as you can see, the rule 5, rule 10, and rule 15 we created just now. So now we'll display NET session all. Please display all the NET session currently in progress. It take time. Okay, I think it's taking time, so we'll just move on. Okay, so while this is in progress here, okay, so next we'll go to R3 to configure the AGIP on gigabyte Ethernet 0/0/0, and then okay, we'll do this. Okay, so on R3, we'll run the command. We enter the port interface gigabyte Ethernet 0/0/0, then give the command net outbound 1000. Okay, next we'll okay, just now the NET session table, we have gotten the results. So this was the result for just now. Okay, so now we'll go on to S2 and try to ping the connectivity. So we'll try ping 119.84.111.1. Okay, so we should get reply and it is successful. Now we'll go back to R3 to display the rules, display ACL 1000 that we have configured. So we have only set one ACL rule for ACL 2000, which is rule 5. So that's displayed here. Then we'll display net outbound ACL 2000, and we should get our rule. Sorry, so as you can see here, the thing is configured on interface 0/0/0, and the ACL 2000, the address group IP is shown here, and the type is easy IP. So this is the end of lab 11. So thank you.